Okay. Kimberly has been a great advocate for all of us and for the kids at Northridge. Learning has just been, very important, and it's a thing she is passionate about, and that the kids learn. And she saw that for 6 years we did that at Northridge. We grew and we learned. And she's just been wonderful. I'm going to really miss her. We have some things for her. I don't know if anyone else.
They asked me if I wanted to add something, so this is crucial for next year when you have an opportunity to make someone cry. And to be honest, adults are a lot tougher to crack, so you're going to have to step your game up. But anyways, when you're in that position and you can't help but crack a smile, don't forget your paper. But in all seriousness, I appreciate you giving me an opportunity to be a part of this team and meet my fiance, even if that wasn't part of your plan. But you're an amazing person, and I've learned a tremendous amount from you, so I totally respect you and I love you.
It's hard following all of you and your creativities, and you get to go to CLPs? We don't get to tag PLCs.
Speak English. What's the matter?
What's the problem? This is for the fun times that the policemen come to ours and outstanding warrants that you've had. How many remember the pancakes? And the bacon smell?